In this video, I will show you how to reset your Snapchat Discover feed. First, launch open Snapchat. Make sure to log into your account. The first method is simply to refresh the Discover page. For that, head over to the Discover page. Then pull down on the screen and release it to refresh the feed. After a few moments, you will see new content appear. If you want to completely reset your Discover content, then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Now in settings, you want to look for the option of reset suggested content. If you find it, go ahead and tap on that and reset your suggested content. Next, you want to tap on the clear cache, then tap on continue. Now head back, allow a few minutes for changes to take effect. Snapchat may close automatically, so reopen it and return to your Discover page. Now your Discover feed will be reset. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.